Racing just is started. We have Key Lager first to show quickness at the start. Moving a party outside, half medium. Then followed by Sunday Street. Do it, David. Sugar Daddy, Decent Proposal, Pure Energy. While Alam mo na yan is racing less. And going along for the first turn, we have half medium. Key Lager, Do it. David, then followed over by Sugar Daddy. Sunday Street comes next. Moving a party outside, Pure Energy, Decent Proposal. While alam mo na yan, now racing in 8. And as they swing down the back, we have half medium by about 3/4 length lead. Moving a party outside, Do it, David. Kilager is racing by the rail third. Then followed over by Sugar Daddy. Sunday Street, alam mo na yan. Moving a party outside, Pure Energy, well, Decent Proposal. Now racing less than at the fourth turn, we have half medium via the length, and in second comes Do It, David. Alam mo na yan. Now moving up to take third, Sunday Street, Pure Energy, Kilager, Sugar Daddy, and Decent Proposal. Now racing less, and as they swing for home, we have half medium by about 2 lengths. Alam mo na yan in second with about 150 meters more to run. We have half medium. Alam mo na yan still in second. Last 75 meters, half medium followed by Alam mo na yan. And finally, it's half medium. Alam mo na yan. Do it, David. Sunday Street, Pure Energy for your Pentapecta.